Could just be sand because we are working out here in the backyard. Trying to do this one hand, kind of hard to be honest. Let's see. No, I don't see any magnet on it. Any metals. That's a good sign. We got these radiators on, so there's two of them, primary and secondary. Our oil cooler isn't too badly damaged. Well, we straightened out the little fins, but the inside itself isn't bad. Can't really see through it, but only the fins themselves are bad, so this should still be good. We're filling it up with water to see if there's any oil leaks. If there's any leaks, which it looks like we do. Clear all those codes out. How many lights we got?
Just to check engine.
Whatever that is over there.
The hood, and the door, and then because the tail light's off.
Tail lights are off. We're disconnecting. We don't want to let it get too hot, but we're just letting it run right now to check the oil, transmission fluid. Since we did change the transmission cooler, so we're gonna let it run for a little bit, not too much. We're gonna keep an eye on the oil temp. Dang, that's quiet, son. Gotta do something about that. Up here because it was raining, so there's a tropical storm that came by. So everything we've done so far is we put the radiator on the AC condenser. There's a primary and a secondary radiator. We had a crack on this tube back here because we first filled it up with water to see if there's any cracks or any leaks. What we're about to do is connect this front. It's more of a grill like cover, and it's starting to rain right now, so we're gonna try to get this done real quick. We are taking out the water and we'll be adding coolant. As you can see, open up the petcock to let the water come out, and then we'll be adding distilled and the proper coolant to it.
airbag out because these buttons here weren't working, and we believe that the clock spring is bad. All right, so there's only 4 bolts, one right there, 2, 3, 4, holding it in place, and then you have to slide it out because this just slides in place, and then you have to remove these 2 connectors, which they have a tab that you press down on, and then it comes right out. And now to put the new one in. So we got the airbag back in and the steering wheel all put back together, and right now I just connected the batteries, so we'll be seeing if it works or not. Hopefully it does. All right, so looks like everything's working right now, and the horn works too. All right, so we got the ballast transferred over, and as you can see, there's no cracks on it anymore because it's, you know, brand new. And look at this. Damn, that thing is blinding. Yeah. Ain't going nowhere, bro. What was that? What was that? Oh man. Oh, damn, we just broke it. No kidding. We bought a used one. It was a lot cheaper than what the dealership wanted, which was $1,500. Instead, we got one for $400 without the ballast, and it did have a broken tab, which is what dropped, but I mean, it was a pretty good deal. Yeah, that part was already broken, so don't worry about that. We could just plastic weld it or JB weld it. Everything looks to be pretty good on it. Yeah, the only thing we gotta do now is swap over the tail lights. So this one right here is the old one, and this is the new one, I guess you'd call it. Newer. Yeah. So we gotta transfer this over to that as well. Crazy how it's just one harness. Yeah, honestly. You want to see the damage on this one? Damn. Dang, son. But these puppies are expensive. Yeah, $1,000 each. Yeah, but we got a deal on it. And they freaking got the suckers on there. They just come off like that. Damn, it's just one wire. That's what I'm saying. Pull the other side off. You need 3 hands for this? Ooh. Yes, ma'am. That's it? Yeah, one rusty nail. Just get it boom. Need this hook. I believe it's the other one. Damn, these suckers are bright too. Probably see those from a mile away. Hey. This one's got a little chip on the corner. So you can see right there. But that's the only damage on this one. This one is okay. So we just got here to the inspection place. looks like people are already here. My turn's up next, but I can't record this part, so I'll catch you back later. This will be the end of the video. We did already finish the inspection. We did pass, and all that's left to do is to paint the truck. We will be going with two-tone, so the stone gray and the white, just because it'll be a lot less work than just painting everything white. And we also might have a new build coming along, that's why we're trying to get this done as soon as possible.